Hazrat Ali mentioned about friendship as Man la sadiqa lahu la zukhra lahu. A person keeps no stock and capital who doesn't have true friend. Sharul khawani man tukallifa lahu. The worst friend is that for whom a person have to face trouble. Friendship is to be loyal in ease and difficulty. Amma hakku sahibi an tukrimahu kama yukrimuka. The right of friendship is to respect the friend as he respects you. Fa'allimuhu fa'innahu abqa lil mawaddati wa khairi fil anfati. Express your love to your friend. In this way, your relations will become strong. Take care of your friend in his absence. Sit with your friends. In this way, your heart remains fresh and mind will prosper. Sincere friends are capital for one another. Inna Allah yuhibbu hizal wudil qadim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes the protection of old friendship. Al mar'u ma'a man habbahu. A person is with whom he likes. The Hawaris, that is, disciples of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, asked him, Ya Ruhullah, with whom should we sit? Hazrat Isa alayhi salam replied, Man yuzakkirukumullah ru'yatuhu. Whom remembrance, remember you Allah Almighty. Wa yazidu fi ilmikum mantikuhu. Home conversation increases your knowledge. وَيَرْغَبَكُمْ فِي الْآخِرَةِ عَمَلُهُ. And home deed attracts you to do the good action for the hereafter.